Hello again, my dear students. Senior one. Now we're gonna complete, as I have told you before, we're gonna complete what we have taken last time, and now we're gonna answer the questions in your booklet of Unit 7. Okay, so please open your booklet, page 27. Okay, here we have the first question in your booklet, which is match. Okay, the first column here you have the word replacement. Number one, replacement. Number two, a large amount or part of something. Number three, a substance that something grows in, lives in, or moves through. And number four, large or big. Okay, the the following column or the next column, you have the A, which is chunk, B, ubiquitous, C, bulky, D, backup, and E, medium. Okay, so the first one, Shabab, here you have the word replacement. The word replacement, and pay attention, the word replacement here, it's noun, it's not replace, okay? It's not replace as, when I say the word replace, when I mean swap. Okay, but replacement, what is the synonym or what is the most appropriate answer for the word replacement? You have the word chunk, ubiquitous, bulky, backup, and medium. Yes, very good. The appropriate answer here for the word replacement, which is backup. Okay, backup, which is D. This is the appropriate answer here. Okay, number two, a large amount, a large amount or part of something. What is the appropriate answer here? A large amount or part of something. What is it? Yes, very good. It's bulky. Okay, so the word bulky, which means a large amount or part of something. Okay, number three, a substance that something grows in, moves in, or sorry, lives in or moves through, which is, yes, very good, medium. Okay, so medium here, which means a substance that something grows in, lives in, or moves through. Number four, large or big, of course, yes, which is bulky. I have said before the word bulky, which means the word bulky, which means large or big. Okay, the following part here, you have in the first column, you have the word very old or ancient. Number two, mankind. Number three, omnipresent. And number four, replace. And replace here, as I have told you, the word replace here, it's not replacement, replace as a verb. Okay, so what is the most appropriate answer for the word very old or ancient? What is the most appropriate synonym for that? You have here Homo sapiens, swap, punch, primitive, and ubiquitous. Yes, very good. The appropriate answer for the word for the first one here, which is very old or ancient, yes, it's primitive. So the answer here, D. Okay, number two, mankind, which means human beings. The word mankind, which means human beings. So the synonym of it, which is Homo sapiens. I have said the word Homo sapiens. It means human beings or people. Okay, number three. Number three is omnipresent. Omnipresent, which means, or it means something that exists everywhere. So of course the answer here which is ubiquitous. Yes. So the answer here, which is ubiquitous, E. Yes, it is omnipresent. The following word we have just said it, the word replace. So the answer, of course, here with it is swap. Okay. So the word swap, which it means replace. Okay. The following one here you have number one, to make holes in something, accurate, the best or the most important, the top or the highest level. Okay, to make holes in something, especially using a tool, so of course it is the punch. Punch, we have said it, it means to make a hole in something using a tool. Okay, the following one, it is accurate. What is the synonym of the word accurate? I think we have studied before many times. So the word accurate, or the synonym of the word accurate, it is precise. Yes, the precise. Number three, you have the word the best or the most important. We have said it many times before also, which is premier. Premier, okay. Premier, it means the best or the most important something. Okay. The last one, the top or the highest, the top of the mountain, for example. So it is peak. The answer here it is peak. Okay, guys. Now we're gonna answer the following question, which is choose the most appropriate answer from these choices. Okay, number one, most people live in the countryside, or most people in the countryside live off the land that they grow and produce their own food. So of course the answer here is live off. The word live off, okay, they depend on what they grow on their lands. Okay. The following one, the rent, which means the money. The rent takes a large dots out of my monthly salary. So of course, the rent takes a large chunk, okay, a large amount of money. Number three, he is a big dots football player as he is well built and strong. He is a big bulky. Okay, he is a big bulky, which means huge or large or football player as he is well built. طبعا the word well built, which means he has a lot of muscles. Okay, the following one, number four. Number four here, you have Homo sapiens. Homophones or homophobia is the scientific name of humans. طبعا the word humans, which means human beings or people that exist on earth. So of course the answer here, which is homo sapiens. So the word homo sapiens is the scientific name for human beings or for humans that exist on earth. Number five, we dots addresses with the people and we met on holidays. So of course here the sentence, it means that we changed or we exchanged numbers or addresses. So the answer here, which is swapped. Okay, swapped, which means we exchanged numbers or addresses. Number six, be sure to take dots measurements before you cut the cloth. So be sure to take what measurements, of course, which means accurate or exact, so precise. The answer here, which is precise. Even make sure to take precise measurements before you cut the cloth. Number seven, the stock market reached a dots in September 1929. The stock market reached a peak, of course, which means its top, reached its top in September 1929. There are now dots of bars and hotels, numerous or endless or many or a lot of, and hotels opening up along the coast. So there are myriads. The word myriads, of course, which means a lot of bars and hotels. Number nine, the idea that they might not win was dots to them unbelievable or incredible. So of course, which is inconceivable. The word inconceivable, which means unbelievable or incredible for them. Okay, number 10, I was sleepless all night till dots as I was thinking of a serious problem. I was sleepless all night till, of course, which is dawn. Okay, pay attention, it's dawn, it's not down. Okay, down using O, it's down, but dawn, E, using E letter. Okay, I was sleepless all night till dawn as I was thinking of a serious problem. Number 11, her first novel enjoyed in dot success. Here I need an adjective to describe the word success, so of course the answer is astonishing. Okay, the answer here, of course, is astonishing. The word astonishing here, it's a noun to, it's an adjective to describe the noun, which is success. Number 12, the telephone was dots by Graham Bell. The telephone was created, was invented. So the answer here, which is kind, or it is kind. The telephone was kind by Graham Bell. Number 13, they claim to be the dots of a French duke. They claim to be the, here you have the word descend, or descendants, or descent. Of course, the first one, descend, using or ends in D, this is the verb. And the last one, descent, ends in T, okay, this is the noun. So they claim, they say, the word claim, which means they say, yani, to be the descendants, okay, of a French duke. Food prices have witnessed an incredible dots recently. The answer here, of course, which is, or it is leap. Okay, the food prices, as I think this sentence is so similar to the sentence that we have said before. Food prices have witnessed an incredible leap, jump, or rise recently. The last one here, there are lots of solutions to cut the economic crisis. So there are, of course, it means the sentence here, it means many or a lot of. So there are myriads. There are myriads of solutions to cut the economic crisis. Okay, guys, thanks a lot. And next time, inshallah, we're gonna complete the rest of the questions. I hope that you have understood all of that. And the next time we're gonna answer the complete question. I hope that you have studied the previous part well, and we're gonna complete next time. Thanks a lot.